We're here with the latest information on Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S24 series, and there's a lot to be excited about. Notably, the zoom camera is getting a significant upgrade, but that's just the tip of the iceberg. The main 200-megapixel camera is also receiving improvements, and to top it all off, a super powerful Galaxy Eye feature is on the horizon. But before we dive into these exciting details, let's talk about the all-important aspect of pricing. Despite the introduction of new AI features and the exclusive use of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for the S24 Ultra, many were expecting a price increase. However, Samsung has pleasantly surprised everyone by keeping the prices the same as last year. That's right, you can expect the Galaxy S24 to come in at $799, the Galaxy S24 Plus at $999, and the S24 Ultra priced at $1,199. And here's the icing on the cake. Samsung has some enticing deals for pre-orders, including complimentary Galaxy Watch Buds and fantastic trade-in offers, especially if you're currently using the Galaxy S22 series. Now let's delve into what makes all this possible. The Exynos 2400. Samsung is reintroducing the Exynos 2400 for the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus, but in select markets. Since this chip is developed by Samsung on their own manufacturing process, it allows them to ease the load on Qualcomm, reserving the latter for the Galaxy S24 Ultra and specific models of the S24 and S24 Plus. This strategic move helps Samsung cut costs while maintaining the same prices as last year's models. What's impressive is that all the features, including the AI enhancements, will be available on the S24 series starting at just $799. You won't need to splurge on the Ultra to enjoy these AI features. It's a pretty sweet deal. Now, shifting our focus to the primary camera upgrade for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. While it retains the same impressive 200-megapixel sensor as the S23 Ultra, significant improvements are in store. Night mode and low-light performance for both photos and videos will see enhancements, showcasing Samsung's commitment to unlocking the full potential of this camera sensor. Additionally, Samsung is incorporating AI to elevate the 200-megapixel mode, promising even better results. There's also an intriguing rumor suggesting a default photo resolution of 24 megapixels, which could be a game-changer for Samsung's camera capabilities. Wrapping it up, the Galaxy S24 series is set to introduce a plethora of Galaxy Eye features, and one standout capability is the power to remove objects from videos. While we've seen object erasers for photos before, extending this functionality to videos is groundbreaking. It heralds the era of AI revolutionizing smartphone usage, and the Galaxy S24 series is leading the charge. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and that concludes this video. Until next time, peace out.